This footage was filmed from inside a fire truck as wildfires swept across the US state of Texas. More than 250,000 acres of land have been affected by the out-of-control fires since early Wednesday across the Texas Panhandle. There are power cuts, road closures, and evacuations have taken place in some parts of the state. Houses have been destroyed, and a key nuclear weapons plant was forced to suspend operations. It is thought strong winds, dry grass, and unseasonably warm temperatures have fed the blazes.